are going to learn how to solve one-step inequalities. Just like solving for a variable, you're going to use the inverse operation. So we start out and we know that our operation is addition and the opposite of addition is subtraction. So we're going to subtract 8, because the 8 is on the same side as the y. Subtract 8 from both sides. Whatever is done to one side of the equation must be done to the other. So we subtract 8 and we get y plus nothing, so that's just y, is greater than 12 minus 8 is 4. And then we're going to graph. So here is the solution sets. Remember, a number line goes on forever and ever. We can just put a 4, we can put 5 here, and 3 here. We're doing a open circle because 4 is not a solution, and the y is bigger, so the answers to that will go up the number line. Now the next problem, we have a subtraction. And so we do the inverse operation, which is addition. We're adding 3 to both sides. So we have z, left by itself, and that's a 0, is less than or equal to, it's 20. So we do our number line. We put 20 here. 20 is also in the solution set, so we're going to do a closed circle, and z is less than, z is smaller, so it's going down. Anything that fits in there has to be 20 or smaller. So we can put 21 on the top here, 19 on the bottom, and there is our solution. So moving on to multiplication and division, one-step problems. Our operation here is multiplication. There's an imaginary multiplication sign right there. So the inverse of multiplication is division. So we will divide by 2, because the 2 is attached to the x. So we divide by 2 here. Whatever we do to one side, we must do to the other. So we're left here with an x, because this becomes a fat 1, remember? Becomes a 1. So we have x is less than or equal to 12. And we can graph that on the number line. Do a number above, a number below, and we're going to do a closed circle because 12 is also a solution. We have that equal to. So x is less than or equal to 12. So it goes down like this. With the a divided by 3 is greater than 13, remember the division is right here. That's showing us the division. So we do multiplication to solve. So I do times 3 on this side, times 3 on this side. Remember, this makes a big 1. That cancels to a 1. So we have a is greater than 13 times 3 is 39. Make our number line. We have 39 here, 40, 38. We're going to do an open circle because 39 is not a solution. It is not in the solution set. A is greater than. Goes up. And that is how you solve one-step inequalities.